So I want to research on a work titled Consumer Perception and Acceptability of Genetically Modified Products, in Nigeria. So if I just start out by saying that I'm undertaking this research because there's really little or no information out there on how consumers of genetically modified products feel about it. Like, how do consumers in Nigeria feel about genetically modified products, and how do they accept it? Are they ready to accept it? It's, I mean, like, I'm doing this research with someone in the sciences, right? So when this person came up to me and said, "Oh, I'd like us to collaborate on this," I saw it as a novel topic because I've never had to work on this sort of topic, and I hardly just see it flying around out there. And this was bringing in consumer behavior and genetics, right? So I saw it as a novel topic. So if I just went out there and said, "Oh, there's really nothing, there's no work on this topic in Nigeria," someone who may not have come across this may believe that. But is that really true? If I were to write such a thing to maybe an impact factor journal, I may be in trouble if actually there is a work or there are works that have answered this question. So what am I supposed to do first? First of all, I'm expected to do my research. I'm expected to search the internet to be sure that this sort of study actually does not exist. Or even if it exists, maybe not in Nigeria. So how do I search? Come along. Okay, so I come to Google and I can paste my topic here and just search. Okay. I mean, look at the results, 2,740 results. So I'm expected to scroll through here, scroll through all of these. I can see effect of perception on consumer acceptance of, okay, I think these are related studies. I can see related studies here, right? So I can also just add, maybe let me say in Nigeria, and let me see if that's going to bring up, let me see that in Nigeria. Okay, so can you see that? I can see a work here, food consumer perception of genetically modified products. Okay, so this is a related study. Okay, consumer perception of genetically modified products. Okay, I don't know if this is Nigeria. Okay, these are about public sentiments of genetically modified products in Nigeria. Anyway, the point is, I may be overwhelmed to see about 359,000 results here, but there's a much easier way to search for this. And that's the start of systematic literature review, right? Like, it's a skill you need to have even before you start any literature review, whether it's systematic, whether it's critical or bibliometric, right? What do I do first? So I've already spoken about this in my past videos on Boolean operators. So I'm supposed to identify the keywords in this topic. Now, what are the keywords? Consumer perception is one keyword, right? Okay, I'm just gonna break them like this. Consumer protection is one keyword. Acceptability is another, or let me highlight it instead. Consumer protection is one keyword. Acceptability, okay, could be another keyword. Genetically modified products is another. And then let me say in Nigeria is also another. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 keywords. What do? I'm supposed to come here to search. But then again, where's the right place to search? Google is good to search, right? But if you're looking for studies, research work, then you should go with Google Scholar. So I'm just going to take you to scholar.google.com and we'll be doing our search here. So what do? I put the first keyword, consumer perception. Remember, if I want Google to know that this is a search, I'm to put this in quotes, consumer perception, and then I use the Boolean operator and then I put in quotes again the next keyword and acceptability. And then I put the next one, genetically modified products. in quotes, and Nigeria. And Nigeria. So let's see what the results would give us. Let's see what the results would be like. Great. How many results can you see here? 7 results. Is that not awesome? That's awesome, trust me. So with 7 results, I can see that there are, okay, this is in Kenya, this is in Uganda, this is Egypt, this is Norway, this is Benin, and this is Europe. So Nigeria is not here. How about if I just want to do it individuals? Okay, let me take up acceptability and then just do consumer perception and genetically modified product first. Let me just take off acceptability first. Oh, awesome. So can you see this? Okay, this is Nigeria. This is 1. Let's see. There's another Nigeria there. But the point is, this is just 35 results now. So this makes it easier for me to search. This is so easy for me to search than having to look at over 200,000 results, right? So this is how to search for literature. And now look at this, food consumer perception of genetically modified products. So this is a related work. So now that there are related works on this topic, my assumption that there's no study on this topic is false, right? But does that mean that because there are current works on this topic, I shouldn't do this research? Absolutely not. That's not what it means. So what am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to identify something different. I'm supposed to identify my own contribution. I'm supposed to come up with, I'm supposed to look at those works and then know what those works have not done. That is what we call gap. I'm supposed to identify the gap and then decide on how my own research, even though it's going to be the same topic, how is my own research going to be filling that gap? Until I'm able to do that, I may not put up a work that will be easily accepted for publication. So systematic literature review helps you to, communicate that gap. It helps you to show the process of how you get the literature. It helps you to know, in fact, it helps you to identify the gap and communicate those gaps very easily in such a way that it's someone else can replicate what you've done. And that is actually what the workshop that's coming up on May 8th, that is Sunday, May 8th by 7 p.m. West African time, that's GMT+1. That's what that workshop will be teaching you. It's going to be a hands-on workshop. And we expect that people who will be attending that workshop, should have a little idea on how to search for literature. And that's why I have done this video. I hope that this video helps you. More will be revealed. You're going to be amazed at what you may not have known about literature review. That's why it's called systematic literature review. There's a system to it. So come join us on May 8th, Sunday, May 8th by 7 p.m. and join us as we unravel the mystery behind systematic literature review, and so that you can do it like what? A pro. Thank you very much.